In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Shopify on your laptop. So first thing you need to do, you want to go to your browser and then search for Shopify. And after that, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step you need to do. So after you log into your Shopify store, as you can see here, you'll be able to see here your products, every single thing. Now what you need to do, you want to click on three little dots in the top right. Now after that, you want to scroll down a little bit. Okay, and then you want to click here, it says cost, save and share. Just move your mouse here and then this will pop up. Now you want to click on install page as app. Okay, click on it. Now after that, you will be able to click on install. Okay, so after you do that, as you can see, I just installed this, as you can see, as an app. As you can see, you can check every single thing. Okay, it's like you are using the app version of Shopify. I know this is not what you want. You want to install it on your PC so that you don't have to go to the browser to open your Shopify store, which is exactly what I am going to show you right now. Just close this. Okay, again, you want to go back to your own Shopify store. Just log in into your Shopify store, and then I will show you how you can install this as an app. So again, you just need to click on three little dots after you open your Shopify store and then scroll down and then click on cost. Again, just cost, save and share. Move your mouse here and then you want to click on create shortcut. Now before we do that, by the way, after you click on save page as an app, this will happen. Now whenever you open your Shopify store, now you will be able to see this button in the top right here that says open in app. If you click on it, you will be able to use the app version of Shopify. Okay, you will also be able to click here. You will be able to see the Shopify button here, the Shopify logo inside your desktop. Just click on it and it will take you directly to Shopify. Okay, so another way is you want to go again to your Shopify store. Okay, just open it in your browser. Now after you open it, you want to then again click on three little dots like I said, cost, save and share, and then you want to click on create shortcut, and then you want to name this whatever you want. I'm going to name it my Shopify store, and then click on create, and as you can see, we have created it. Okay, so we have created my Shopify store. As you can see, you can drag and hold, like leave it anywhere here, and then you will be able to see here my Shopify store here. Click on it, it will take you directly to Shopify. Okay, so this will speed up the process. So I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. See you in the next tutorial. Drop a like and see you.